preparando pa' ponerme a tu nivel. Se hace tarde, estás esperando, dale, tócame. Sin la luz se ve ya lo que sabes hacer. Quiero más view una vez. Todas las poses vamos a hacerla por 10. Ok, te preparé la playlist para darte toda la night cuando te canto sexy.
Welcome back to SBK Loco. We got a very short and sweet bachata combination for you. What do you want to say? You want to say anything?
I know.
No? You know what? Okay, no. A lady of few words. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, prayer. Now for the followers, making sure your hands are together. The leader is coming in like this. So he's going to go from here to clap. Okay, so one more time, basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now leaders, we're going to go to the back of our hands and go down sensually. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we're going to grab the waist, a little prep of her body, and send her out. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now leaders, we're going to go into a handshake position. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to come here. So I'm in closed position. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to go over 5, 6, 7, 8 and send her out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now leaders, when I'm going 5, 6, I'm not just standing there and doing this. I'm going 5, 6 with my feet, moving my body. Okay, so watch that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go back together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to connect with the follower. We're going to send her for a little bit of a wave skip. 1, 2, 3, 4. So watch that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So leaders and followers, what I often see on the dance floor is people are doing like this and they're skipping their feet behind them. You want to make sure your body goes past your center line and then it's easy to move your foot. So watch this. If I go here, my feet are not going to move. But if I pass my center line, it's very easy to step back. Okay? So watch that again. I'm going to lead her. Also, with your hands, leaders, don't be, okay? I like to use the palm part here. It's more respectful if you don't know the follower. Okay? So just like this. If you know her, maybe you can do like this, but it's better to like this in social dancing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to send for a front part. 1, 2, 3. Here, we're going to pull the frame and push out. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Here, send out. 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. Back, cha, 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 cha. Okay, music on.
Hola, bebé. Me estoy preparando pa' ponerme a tu nivel. Se hace tarde, estás esperando, dale, tócame. Sin la luz se ve ya lo que sabes